Hey guys, this is Permanent Survival with William Macy, and today I have a really cool project I've been working on for the past 2 weeks. I've worked on it for about 2 weeks now, not in a straight row, but it's a really cool project and I'm excited to share it with you guys. Alright, here we go. Alright, so this is my pit house. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's about 10 feet wide from the center. I really didn't measure it out. And it's about 1.5 feet dug in, but then, so it starts about here, and I dug in about 1.5 feet down to the bottom. Like 1.5 feet, 2 feet. But then I just piled the dirt up top. So I gave me a little extra height. But yeah, so this is my pit house. These logs right here that are peeled, that's juniper logs. I chose those just because they're a little more rot resistant, and they take longer to rot than the pine, which that's what this is. This is pine. Pine poles that are about 9 feet long. They go all the way up here. Which this part I'm really excited to tell you about, because there is not a single nail in this whole entire house so far. And there shouldn't be any nails or screws in it. It's all just friction fit by these V posts right here. So what I have is this V right here, and as you see, it's just where a branch came off. So here's the main tree part, and then there's a branch. And I took a log, another juniper log, and put it across. And that runs into this one. And then I took a log, and I did that on both sides. And then I took a log up here, which that one probably not the best way. I should have made this a little longer, but it has enough pressure on it where it's enough pressure from these poles right here that it's gonna stay. And this one sticks out a little farther, so it actually sits on. But yeah, I just have a pole going across here, and it hits the top of this post, so it doesn't roll off. And it's staying. This is all staying. That stays up there by itself, but it's fitting together really tightly because I have all these poles that are pushing on it and pushing it together. And yeah, so that's how the roof is staying together. And then you can see here in the hole, it's just set right on top of this dirt. And I don't know how many years it will last, but I'm sure it will last a couple. And I'm really excited to eventually live in it, hope maybe for a little while. But it's just really cool. I have just enough headroom in the middle, right about here. I start to hit. But you know, once I get down here, like in this really short area, this is where my bed's gonna be, right over here probably, and then I'll just have some shelves for bows and arrows and pots for cooking and a little bit of firewood. But yeah, I'm really excited for how this is turning out. It's turning out really well. And then I have the doorway, so I kind of cut out the doorway right here just a little bit. You can see that. And I have these two posts, these 12-foot posts, that's going from the center, all this post, all the way out here to these two Y posts. And this is going to be my door, my entryway, my little tunnel. So yeah, it's turning out pretty cool. Just giving you guys a sneak peek before I finish it. I have about half the logs on. I want to put some more on. And then this whole part right here is all going to be covered on the side, from up here down to the ground, and from this pole to this pole. And then I might put a sheet up right here for a door, or just leave it open. I don't really know. Yeah, this is my pit house. Part 1. I'll have another video or two. One for finishing the pit house with all the logs on it and the pine duff, and then I will start to furbish the inside. Yeah, it's nice little living quarters. Not too big, but it will be good for hunting, or nice little stay out here. Definitely a good long-term shelter that the natives used. I don't know if it was in this area or not, but definitely somewhere they have used pit houses. Yeah, I'm really excited on how well this is turning out. Alright, well, I hope you guys liked seeing my pit house and in the middle of it being built, and I really hope you guys also liked that there's no nails or screws in it. So I'm doing it old-fashioned. I'm using a chainsaw for cutting the poles, but everything else was done with a shovel or a knife, or this hole was dug with a hand shovel. Just 2 people. And yeah, so there's only one electrical tool that was used, or not electrical, power tool that was used, and that was the chainsaw. That's really it. Everything else was done by hand, so it's turned out really well. Alright, hope you guys really liked seeing this sneak peek of my long-term shelter, and hope you learned something really cool from it. Alright, thank you. Bye.